Unpack the inverter box and check the accessories. Unpack the battery box and check the accessories. Choose the right installation place according to the installation space requirements. Make sure the ground is level. Place the battery box foot pads. Choose the installation position of the back plane. Drill holes in the calibration position. Put in an expansion tube so that it is flush with the installation surface. Use screw to tighten the back plate. Step the second battery box on top of the first one. Choose the right installation position of the second back plane. Drill holes in the calibration position. Put in an expansion tube so that it is flush with the installation surface. Use screw to tighten the back plate. Tighten the left and right sides of the upper and lower battery boxes with the first back plate. And use two upper and lower connecting plates to tighten and fix the left and right sides of the upper and lower battery boxes respectively. Place the inverter unit on top of the second battery box. Tighten the left and right back panel screws, and use the upper and lower connecting plates to tighten and fix the inverter and the battery box. Use your mobile phone to scan the QR code on a Wi-Fi stick, and then screw the Wi-Fi stick into a fixed one. Connect Bacom H2 and battery positive BAT plus according to the communication identification. Connect the RS485 communication line of the meter and pay attention to the brown and white and brown connections. According to the T568B method, trim the meter, communication network cable, and connect the meter communication. Connect EPS port and backup load. Connect the AC port and power grid. Connect the ground wire. Connect the PV panel. Connect CT. Pay attention to CT direction. Start operation. Turn on a PV switch, battery switch, and battery socket breaker. eNAS is available on Apple Store and Google Play. Enter email and password. Select correct time zone. Scan barcode from the Wi-Fi stick. Connect to eNAS network. choose your home wireless LAN signal. Put the decorated boards on the left and right sides into the car slots from bottom to top for fixing. The power flow map will help you better understand the source and consumption of current house energy. The inside page lets you get full knowledge of your home energy usage. The event will record all the faults and alarm events. Self-powered. This mode can help your home maximizing the use of solar power. In this mode, your battery system is only charged by using solar power. Time of use. This mode can help you reduce electricity price from grid. The battery will charge and discharge based on the time and price of electricity. You are required to add your electricity information accurately. Backup. This mode provides seamless backup power in the event of grid power outage.